Hi, this is Mike Rankin with CreativePro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the color from a character style in InDesign. Here in my example file, I have 3 levels of headings set in 3 different colors, and in each case, a character style has been applied to the last word in the heading to add extra emphasis. It changes the color to red, and it applies a bold italic font. So let's say at some point the design changes, and we no longer want the emphasis to be red. Instead, we just want to keep the color of the paragraph styles. So to do that, we can go to the Character Styles panel and edit the character style, which is this one here, red, bold, ital. I'll right-click on it and choose Edit. And I'll go to my character color settings, and I can see that right now it's set to this red swatch. Now, you might try just clicking on the None swatch to see if that worked. But that makes the text all invisible, so that's obviously not what we want. And if you click on any other color swatch like black, that swatch gets applied to the text. Instead, this is the trick you need to do. Hold Command or Control and then just click on the swatch name. And that removes it, so now there's no character color specified by this character style, and I can see all of my headings are keeping the color specified by their paragraph styles. So again, the trick is to edit the style and hold Command or Control and click on the swatch name. That's a quick tip for how to remove the color from a character style in InDesign.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.